So I was building a landing page for my course website and I needed to put some testimonial and my course trailer on the website. But as you might know, you cannot directly upload the video on your hosting provider and then use it as on your website to play video, because there is no video player or controller available for your users to watch that video and control how they watch it. So the solution, we need the third-party website that hosts our videos, and then we use that video and get that embed link and then put that link onto our website. Now people can easily click and watch that video, and it loads very fast as well. But if you want a free solution, then there is definitely YouTube. What you can do is you can upload a video on YouTube and then set as an unlisted, get the video link and then put it on there on your website as an embed. But the problem with the YouTube is it shows our suggested videos whenever someone pauses the video, and you don't have very much control over how YouTube plays your video and what videos they suggest. It's directly the distraction over your landing page, which should be highly convertible, because when people see other videos, they can click on it and leave your landing page and go to YouTube to watch videos. So we don't want that. So that is why we use these video hosting platforms that help us host the video and get the link and put it there on YouTube, so that people can watch your trailers or your product demo or your whatever you are trying to accomplish or show to the people on your landing page. They can watch distraction free and you have the increased conversion. But then I found out this amazing tool, amazing video hosting website, which is fortunately the sponsor of this video as well, which is called VidzFlow. So VidzFlow is a video hosting platform especially made for Webflow, but you can use it on any kind of website on the earth. So thank you VidzFlow for sponsoring this video. So now coming back to VidzFlow. So VidzFlow is a video hosting platform which lets you host your videos, manage it, control the player and control the overall look of your player that will be shown on your website. Let me show you how. Although they are exclusive to Webflow, but you can use it on any kind of website. And if you use Webflow to build your website, it even get easier because they have Webflow app which you can use and download in your Webflow and directly can integrate videos from VidzFlow to your Webflow website seamlessly. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm into my VidzFlow dashboard and I am on VidzFlow business plan, as you can see, and you can also like go for free plan as well, where you can have this like up to 100 MB per video, up to 5-minute video and up to 10 videos you can upload on free plan. And then there are starter plan and business plan. So right now I'm using the business plan, and let me take you to the VidzFlow. And now I have already uploaded this landing page trailer which I'm going to use on my website here, where I am using the YouTube for right now. Wait. अगर आप इस video अच्छा खासा है. So now let's do things. So first of all, there are tons of option, customization option like autoplay. No, I don't want autoplay. I want loop. Click to play is okay. Then brand colors. So let me pick my brand colors. It's this one. So yeah, I have changed the brand color, and then you can decide people can select quality or not. I will select 1080p, then large play button, play pause, progress, current time, mute, volume, setting, full screen, playback speed. Everything can be added. Now I can even choose like subtitles, and I can even upload the thumbnail as well. And now I can also go to SEO setting and also do the SEO of this video so that it gets shown in the Google search. Now I can choose the file here and upload any thumbnail over here like this. Now what I can do is now click on this share embed. Now either you can click on this video player link, or you can use this if you want to share the video. So I'll go to embed and I will select responsive so that it's responsive for all of the devices that people might be using. Now let's go to my landing page and change this a bit. Now you can see our video is here, and now I'll publish it and see how it goes. So you can see the thumbnail, my custom branding. People can choose the playback speed, quality of the video, and even they can watch this in full screen as well. And also there are testimonial for my students, and I uploaded it on YouTube and it shows like playback error. I don't know why, because they might be converted into shorts video, so that is why it's not playing. So let's fix that as well. So what I'll do is I'll go to my VidzFlow account and then I will add more videos here. Also, the best thing is that if your video is saved on YouTube or Vimeo, you can just directly enter the URL of that video and it can even directly get that video from YouTube or Vimeo and import it into the VidzFlow inside the VidzFlow. Now as you can see, our videos has been uploaded and now it is processing. So let's do something. Now everything should be like this. Now if you can see, if I switch to mobile version, you can see everything works seamlessly. I have this video playing over here. See this with thumbnail and everything. I have this video playing over here, and then I will have the testimonial of students as well playing perfectly, which was not good earlier when I was using the YouTube. So see how easy it is. The link to the VidzFlow will be in the description. Go check out.